Hello. What's going on? Hi, everybody. If anybody can see me, I'm live now. We're looking at this amazing chart. Let's go see if we can look at the chart. Am I still live? I'm not sure. We're gonna have to figure that out. So we'll just go like this. Ding. This is why you have these amazing. I look crazy right now. Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm freaking out a little bit because obviously we're on a rocket ship right now, and I decided to go live. I'm also on TikTok right now as well. So I'm trying to move things around. If you guys see me, I'm not sure if you can see me or see any messages. Looks like there's 4 people. Look at this. Oh my God. Wait a minute. Oh my God. All right. Yes. What's up, people? Yes. Hey, I gotta say, I'll be the first to say that I've been kind of an asshole over the last couple of weeks. I'll admit it, man. I was getting really down and depressed. It's like, I was starting to go a little crazy because it's like I know what I hold, and after 4 weeks of this, you start to just start going a little crazy, or I did anyway. Anyway, okay, so here's where we're at. I'm looking at the charts here. You guys on YouTube can't see the charts I'm looking at, unless I flip my other camera around. But can I do a share screen? How do I share the screen? Pop out dashboard, manage. Anyway, so we're over here at who is this? We're over here at right now at 62.49, and there you go. And wait. Yeah. There you go. I'm just sorry, guys. I got to remove a bunch of douchebags in here. I hate this. I love how people come on here and they want to talk shit to me, but it's like, what are you even doing here? You have to think to yourself, unjuggler, like, what are you even doing here? Bye, unjuggler. We'll see you next time. Unjuggler, whoever unjuggler is, this user's messages will be hidden. Great. Bye. See ya. Anyway, almost breaking even. Patience pays off. Yes. We're at 60. I have a support line at 62.49 or 0.6249, so 62.5 cents. This guy is also, see you later too. Bye-bye. Listen, if you want to say some positive stuff, you want to talk, that's great. But you want to just insult me, that's crazy. Anyway, so I'm super excited, guys. Look at these massive giant green candles. These are amazing. So I'm super happy and super excited right now to be up in the 60s. We're in the 60s. Yes, baby. Yeah. Hell yeah. We're in the 60s right now. So I'm going to go back to look at my other chart. Yeah, my apartment's a mess. Absolutely. It's a little crazy right now. And I don't know, guys, I'm super excited. I want to see it go back and close the body of a candle over that 0.6249. If we can do that, we'd be in really good shape. Let me see if I can pull my camera in here. It doesn't work, does it? No. I know what the fuck I'm doing. Anyway, trying to show you guys the chart, but whatever. You guys can see the chart on your own. This is pretty sick, pretty amazing. I am going to focus on drawing some trend lines and figuring out what is actually happening. I'm very, very excited because, I love this stock. And I will talk to you guys later. Let me see if I can see if you have anybody who has anything intelligent to say. Patience pays off. Yes. Rocket ships. Let's go, man. Let's go. To all the positive people out there, let's go. I never understand trolls. I just don't get them. It's like they just got nothing else to do. What do you expect at close after hours? I mean, look, if I have a support line, I'm going to minimize my window here. If anybody on my other video is looking, and I'm going to post all of this on YouTube later, so you'll see But so I have a support line at 0.6249 or 62.5 cents. And let's take a look at the reason why I have that support line. So I'm going to go down, go down, go down. And we're just about to close a 15-minute candle above that support, this is super bullish, guys. This is super bullish. Like something big is happening. And I didn't read the, look, guys, this is how much work I put into this stock. So this is my trend line. So Monday 9/8. So on Monday 9/8, we had that high. That was this high of this trend line that I have at 62.50, right? And right now we just crossed that. We just flew above that. We just flew above that trend line from 9/8, from September 8th. Today is the 23rd. So whatever that is, that's 9/8. So that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is like 12 trading days. This is the highest we've been in 12 trading days right now. Okay, so, and we really need to close the body of one of these 15 minutes above this 62.49. If we do that, we're going to move, and we're going to move fast, in my opinion. Right now, we're looking pretty solid. Let's go back over here to the other. Let me double check on any news. Let's go to Edgar. If you guys don't know, if you're new to trading, which most of you are not, I'm probably the newest trader out of everyone. You know what I'm realizing too, when I jumped on to YouTube Live, if I'm still on live, what's up? Am I still on live? Yeah. I'm not sure. I don't know where my YouTube go. Yeah, I'm on live. Anyway, yeah, what I noticed too is like, of course, there's people shorting the stock. I forget, and I take it personally when people start saying like stupid stuff and like, oh yeah, you know. Anyway, yes, my apartment's a mess. Okay, and I'm a Giants fan, and we've lost the last 3 games. You can see that in the background. Okay, so what's up, people on live? After Hours Celtic Preservation Society. Yes, baby. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go. Okay. Anybody else have any questions or anything like that? Okay, so like I said, so on September 8th, we had a TIC-T2. A half a penny more, and we break support and we close. We have 11 minutes left on the 15-minute candle. I wish you guys on YouTube could see. I mean, you can see the chart. So if I were you, if you want to draw support or a resistance line at 62.50 at 0.6250, where I'm waiting right now for the body of that candle. It's got 10 minutes left. It's a 15. I like the 15-minute. You know what I mean? I love the 15-minute candles. I mean, we can play around and go look at the 5 minutes and see what. Can I just minimize this and get this out of the way? We can look around at the 5-minute candle right now. Here, let's take a look at the 5-minute and what's going to happen when we look at the 5 minutes. We're going to see that it's crossed that support line, right? See the noise? This is why I like 15-minute candles. We're way above the VWAP. Go, 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 go. The body, we want the body of that candle, of these candles, to cross right there. Oh my God. So now we just busted through the resistance of almost the entire month of September right now, I believe. Let me double check that. So 6, 5, 4. So the 5-minute candle just closed above that support at 63, which means this thing could go flying. So let's take a look. 15, and the 15-minute candle, the body's way above it now at 63 cents. This thing's on the run now. Oh my God, it's on the run. It's got 9 minutes left. So while that's looking at 9 minutes left, let's check the higher time frames. And I'll move you guys over here. And let's check the higher time frames and see what it looks like. I already know what it looks. I know what it's gonna be, but let's just get confirmation and all that stuff. Blah 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 blah. So we look at the higher time frame here. Where is it? Ding ding ding. I got a YouTube live thing. I'm gonna minimize this for a second. Whoops, wrong one. Minimize you, buddy. I'm trying to get back to my chart. I'm not sure what's happening now. Okay. Where's my chart? There it is. Got it. Oh my God, we're off to the races. Holy smokes. I didn't even get a chance to shower today. I feel like such a mutt. I just finished a paper for business class. So right now we're just, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen, honestly. Look at these candles. These are 15-minute candles. It's incredible. It's like, you know, cue the Rocky music, right? It's busting through. Let's see, 8 minutes left. All right, so let's go, because I have all these charts. Let's see. I've been charting this forever. So let's look and find. All I got to do is this. What am I doing, guys? Let's see if we have any more, where my next resistance line is. I don't have any more. So we are flying above resistance. Volume is rising. Right now, let's refresh this, and we're looking at volume is now at 55 million. Wow, that was fast. It was 38 million 10 minutes ago. So everybody's in. So this is it, guys. We're on a run. We're not. Can I curse on YouTube? We're not fucking around anymore. Here we go. Look at that chart. That is beautiful. Here, let's look at the 5-day. Oh my God, 1 month, 6 months. Oh my God. All right, let's go back to the 1 month. Okay. So in 1 month, we were up at 74 cents, it looks like. That's 826. It says 74. You know, you guys know it was like in the 90s. So we're running 10 more cents and we are back into the 70s. Let's go for that 70s show. Let's go, baby! Man! See, this is what happens to people who hold. This is what you get for holding. You hold. Yeah, man, I don't know. I'll just say, I'll be honest, man. Yeah, I'm not like you guys. I don't have the kind of grace and composure you guys all have. I've been kind of like depressed and groggy and upset and wondering if like God has given up on me. But today, this is so beautiful to see this. I'm not sure if does anybody know what's happening? Is this a buyback? Let's look for the filings. Let's go to Edgar. Let's look at the filings. Let's see, Edgar, SEC database, blah, 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 search filings. Like, this should always be open, by the way. If you're invested in stock, you shouldn't be having to look it up because you want to have this ready to go, disseminate files. We welcome your feedback. No, thanks. Okay, so that's it. The last filing is the 8K from August 26th. And by now, we all know that one very, very well. We've looked in forward-looking statements. Today, somebody on StockTwits found out or saw somewhere in there. I don't even want to talk about that. Let's not even bring that up. But they saw some other fine print that said that they can add on September 30th. They have a right to add 20% more shares of whatever the shares outstanding are. Apparently, of what they're going to report on September 29th. As an option, they can, as an option, add 20% more shares so that they can pay their shareholders, or as they can add that 20. So say it's like 160 million shares. That's 32 million shares. They have the right to add pretty much the day after earnings is reported. Will Joel do something like that? We hope not. Is Joel buying back shares right now as we speak? Quite possibly. Maybe this is him buying shares. Maybe this is the shorts finally covering. Who knows what is happening today? But these are gigantic bullish candles. Look at these. These are fully engulfed bullish 15-minute candles. These are like bouncers at a club. They're so strong. And I don't know. Let's take a look. So we're now at 65 cents. This thing's on the run. The volume is flying. The volume's now at 55. Well, it was at 55. Look, you always got to refresh it on. 58. It's almost 60 million in volume now. So we're moving. I'm so excited for everyone. Much love to everybody who held. All the haters. it's okay, man. Just try again. You know what I mean? If you sold, buy in again. Now's a great time to buy. You have bullish confirmation. Buy the stock. This is when you buy. Anyway, I'm gonna take a shower and get my shit together. I've been in classes all day. Congratulations to everybody, for everybody who supports me and my page, and you know, whether it's TikTok, Pray Trade Repeat, or Brian Kelty on YouTube, and who has been patient and kind and has intelligence things to say. Thank you so much for your support. And for all the haters, I really don't care what you have to say. I don't even read what you write. I just block you from my channel and I delete you. So it's all good. So positive vibes, people. Let's run, baby. $1. Here we come. Yes. All right. Bye, everyone.